So the first thing we're going to do, let's go up to the search functions. We're going to use search function today. I want you to type in RECO. Okay. When we type in RECO, it's going to say Recovery Services Vaults. We're going to create one. So that's our next scenario. So that's what we want to click on, RECO, and then go into Recovery Services Vaults. All right, all right. When you get in there, you're going to add one. So in the top left-hand corner, you're going to click the add. Okay. Now, as you can see here on my screen, it's a big, is another test, right? I mean, another wizard. It's really awesome, right? So what we're going to do here, okay, is it's going to be real simple, actually. We're actually going to create the resource group. Remember, go back to your resource group that you had. Mine's info RSG. And then we want to give it a name. So it's going to be demo lab RS. I think we're going to capitalize RSV. Demo lab RSV. Very simple. Okay. Region is the same. We're going to tags, review and create. It's been authenticated, and then very simply we can just go ahead and hit create.